rid of that annoying weather update and traffic update. This is how it worked for me. Let me know if it works for you. I know there's another way. You can also just call Sirius and tell them that you want to get rid of your weather channel. Whether you have the free subscription or not, that is a possibility. It's very simple and easy. Another way that I found that worked for me, and I no longer get the updates, but I still have my channel. If I go to Travel Link, sorry if this is not as clear, I'm trying to get it as clear as possible. Hit your weather map, and you'll notice if you have any of these selected, you want them deselected. You want to hit center car on map. Don't know why that makes a difference, but it does. Then you want to go to your radio. Once you're on the radio, whether if you're on something else, the thing you want to do is go to SXM, go to your browse option. And you'll notice it's going to pull down this menu. You want to scroll down to weather, because that's what you want to get rid of. And notice, select city or traffic and weather reports. That's what's basically, it's pulling data and sending you a whole bunch of crap. Whatever you have selected is where it's going to send it to you from. So as you notice, I'm in Wisconsin. The closest place I see is Chicago. Make sure there's nothing else that I want. Deselect. Exit. I'm going to go back just to verify that it's gone permanently, because it is very annoying. It is gone. Make sure there's nothing else. And that is it. If you go back to your map, or whatever you want to look at, traffic and weather, and you'll notice when I hit that traffic and weather, it says I am not set. Look at that one more time. So if I don't have it set for my channel, then I'm not going to get any updates. However, if you want it, you can always go, see if that's not where I want to go. If you go back to your apps, your Sirius Travel Link, you go to your weather, obviously you can still look there, but as soon as you add any of those information or those details, it's going to pull that data, and then it's going to keep giving you updates. Hope that helps. Like I said, the easiest way is call SiriusXM if you want to get rid of it, if you don't really care about the weather and you use your phone anyways. But if you like seeing all those and your 5-day forecast, all that stuff, and you want to keep it, I did that other and it worked for me. Let me know if that helps you. Thanks again. If you like this and this was helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel, as normally I don't do reviews on stuff like this. I do more reviews on driving this car like crazy and having fun. Thanks again. Like, subscribe.